यार मम्मी बोल रही है हरी सब्जी खाओ, जिम वाला बोल रहा है प्रोटीन खाओ, पर मुझे खाना है कुछ मजेदार, something malai and cheesy sa. Who told that I can't have best of these worlds? Because today we are gonna make Methi Matar Malai with appliance, India's first AI cooking assistant. Considering this is a Mughlai dish, I cannot risk it by making myself. That's why appliance will help me make it. All you have to do is scroll, choose any recipe you want, and right here on the home page, you'll see all the recipes. I usually filter it by time. So I have filtered recipe based on the cooking time, and here is Methi Matar Malai. So this recipe is just 33 minutes. It looks really quick and delicious to make. So let's get started. So normally methi is known for its bitterness, but considering इसमें मलाई भी होगा, तो I am pretty sure it's gonna be a very yummy recipe. मेथी गई अंदर, हम डालेंगे अब green chili. Methi Matar Malai is known as broader Mughlai cuisine, and since then it has become really popular. And क्यों नहीं होगी popular यार? मेथी तुमने ऐसे खाई है कभी? अब हम करेंगे इन सबको cut. अब हम डालेंगे oil, 1 medium spoon jeera, and then we will go to sauteing the aromatics. Actually, different regions have different adaptation of making methi. Like in Gujarat and Maharashtra, they pair it up with besan. And today we are gonna do it with malai and butter. So we will see how that turns out. 1 large spoon of kasuri methi. Cream is 120 gram. So we have added 100 grams of water. So we are on the last step, which is cooking gravy. Technically, my active cooking time was only 10 minutes. All the rest of the thing was done by appliance. So I'll go and watch my favorite show till the time appliance cooks it. Okay, so we are ready with our Methi Matar Malai. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, it looks so good. It's actually good. I mean, I can't taste the bitterness of methi, and malai to is like, mashallah. So that was our Methi Matar Malai, and if you want to see more of appliance in action, subscribe us.